Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone X100s Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K 8TL TPO AMOLED curved display, with 6.78-inch Full HD Plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 452 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 100mm periscope telephoto camera with support optical image stabilization, and 4.3x optical zoom, and with 50 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide-angle camera. Features with Zeiss optics, Zeiss T lens coating. For selfies, it has 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole. Video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.4 GHz single-core Cortex-X4 plus 2.85 GHz. Tri-core Cortex-X4 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A720, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. Chipset, paired with a Mortalis G720MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB. 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 12 GB, 16 GB extended RAM through Memory Fusion 4.0 technology, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.05 by 75.28 by 8.91 mm, and it weighs around 225 grams, and the color options: titanium color, white moonlight, space gray. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5400 mAh battery, with 100-watt ultra-fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display optical fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo X100s Pro has been priced 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variants at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variants at 5,599 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variants at 6,199 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo X100s Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.